Bienvenidos, firearms enthusiasts! On this July 4th weekend, we kick off these set of videos with a brand new Colt Defender 1911 FDE Cerakote finish, chambered in 45 ACP, a TRITIUM front sight, G10 GRIPs, arrived with 1 7-round mag, and take its first shots in dual cam view. We also put this up against our original Colt Defender that was having all those jamming issues you can see in previous posts. Well, we switched both guide rods to see what happens. This time we take it to the range and test them out with the different magazines. We did have some jamming or misfeeds with other brands of mags, but overall was pretty accurate and mostly human error over actual issue with the 1911s themselves. You can see the shot results for each firearm in this video, and cannot wait to take them out again for more gun fun. In the meantime, please like and subscribe, as well as reference the playlist linked in the description below to peruse through our entire collection in the armory. We have well over 20 now, with different styles of ARs, 1911s, and some cowboy plinkers too. Also, if you require these or any other firearm for your media productions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Serious inquiries only, okay? Lastly, we appreciate all your support as we march towards 1,000 subs, as it helps us conquer those goofy algorithms. Literally every time a gun video goes up, YouTube will drop our metrics and totally rob us on the view count. Where today it shows one thing, and tomorrow it'll show something else far worse. Thank you all again. Stay well, stay trained, stay accurate. Ciao, friends.
shooting at that? Is that?
But I had eaten those for like 45 minutes, and it wasn't landing, but it was like trash. But I can help people stay. Yeah, well, at one point I was on the phone with our buyer on the radio with the tour and like talked to her. 30 seconds waiting. We weren't in the car.
So, when we get to the shooting part, obviously we'll start off with just some simple one-shot drills. So we maintain our focus on safety being our priority. Never any rush, go back into that holster. So we do a nice slow, where it's totally clear of obstruction. And just remember, slow, smooth, turns back safely. I've been listening to days I'm sure. And today he's talking about the hit and I was fucking crazy in that mission. I was still story. Shooter, you may load and make ready.
Yeah, thanks, got a little bit back on it.
Alright, nice and slow. Stand up. Hold that. Okay, you're standing. Phenomenal. Everything about that looks great. Just remember to secure the left hand on the gun. Okay, go ahead and go. Absolutely beautiful. Stand on the shot two. Stand by. Look at you with your reset and everything. Beautiful work. You can recover.
That was good. The first time was just not looking, just staying on where I'm shooting. Okay.
Well, you know, and looking, I mean, finding the gun is half the battle, right? So we don't want to like, it almost like you see some people going stand by. That's like, you're not actually digging it out, right? That, to be honest, that's the hardest step. And that comes back to that whole repeatability thing, right? So, yeah, you focus on the threat while drawing. Okay. Stand by. Threat. And from now on, you can recover on your own. Okay. Just look at the bottom mechanics of it. Right, everything's on, so you get like a little flinch. All it needs is that little flinch here to equal.
So I guess just focusing on the wall bar.
Just look well and on the smoothness of the crest. Instead of being